To make the assembly, we're going to go to New, and make sure we're in Metric, and we're going to go over to the Assembly section here and click on Standard millimeter.IAM. Press OK. Okay, now we need to place our parts. Okay, so I'm going to click on Place. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is import the acrylic. Alright, so I'm going to click it just once there. Alright, and to get rid of this one, you can either press Escape or you can go right click, OK. Alright, so as you can see, I've got my piece of acrylic in it. Alright, I'm going to go to Place again. Now I'm going to put in my LED. So I'm going to open that. Alright, see how it's facing the wrong way? Alright, we can flip that. Just got to find the right way to flip it. Alright, so we're going to go click here. Okay. Alright, so now I can move this around. I can also move the piece of acrylic around. What I'm going to do is right click on the piece of acrylic. Alright, do that again, right click, and go grounded. Alright, that means I can't move it now anymore. It's going to stay where it is, but I can still move the other piece. Alright, so now I'm going to go constrain. We want to click sorry, on the axis that goes through the LED and the axis that goes through the big hole. Alright, and if I go apply, okay, if I cancel this now and I grab the LED, see how it's lined up to the middle of that hole? Okay, I'm just going to bring it down a little bit so then I can look at it underneath. I'm just going to use this block here just to move it around. Alright, what I'm going to do now is go to constrain. I'm going to click on the top edge here, not the bottom, the top. And I'm going to click the surface underneath here because we want them to join up together. Alright, so then press apply again and get cancelled. Alright, so if you look on top, you've got your LED coming through the top here. Okay, now what we want to do is place the other elements as well. So let's go place, right, and we want to use the eyelets. Okay, what you can do in this as well is click multiple times to make as many objects as you want. But what we're going to do first is make sure that it's facing the right way. Okay, see how my eyelet's now facing downwards? That's the way we want it. So I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go right click, OK. Alright, now I need to place these in their appropriate spots. So we're going to go constrain. But once again, the axis that goes through, that hole. See how it's facing the wrong way now? I'm just going to click on this one here, and that's going to flip it for us. Press apply. Now we want to get the bottom edge of the eyelet, and the surface here is the acrylic, to join those two together and go apply. Okay, so that's how your eyelet should sit on your piece of acrylic. Okay, so we're going to do that now for the other ones as well. The same process. This one's facing the right way now, so that makes it a bit easier. Making sure you're clicking apply after each one. Okay, so that's all those done. Alright, what we need to do now is grab our resistor. So same process, go place, resistor. Okay, once again, we're just going to keep flipping it until we get the right angle there. Alright, so it's correct. Click once, right click OK. Alright, now same process as before with the eyelets and the LED. We're going to go constrain, get the axis that runs through one of the legs to go through one of these holes here. Okay, there's one, apply. And we'll do the same for the other one. Press apply. We just go accept. Alright, so that shouldn't move now. That will stay there as well. Okay, so that's all I need you guys to do for now.